How to choose the right reminder software for your team. Reminder software is a powerful tool for teams looking to increase productivity and streamline their workflow. In a team setting, reminders can help ensure that important tasks don't slip through the cracks, and they can also make it easy to coordinate and collaborate with others. One of the main benefits of using reminder software in a team setting is that it can help to reduce the number of missed deadlines and forgotten tasks. With the ability to set recurring reminders, assign tasks to specific team members, and share information between team members, reminder software can help to create a more organized and efficient workflow. Another advantage of using reminder software in a team setting is the ability to stay connected and coordinate with others. Many reminder software options include the ability to share calendars, collaborate on tasks, and even communicate with other team members directly within the app. This can help to keep everyone on the same page and make it easier to stay on top of important tasks. Despite the benefits, choosing the right reminder software for your team can be challenging. There are many different options available, each with its own set of features and capabilities. Furthermore, different teams may have different needs, so it is important to consider the specific requirements of your team when choosing reminder software. For example, some teams may require advanced collaboration features like comments and task assignments, while others may need simple alerts and notifications. Therefore, it's important to carefully consider the needs of your team and evaluate different software options based on their features and capabilities. Additionally, teams that operate in certain industry may have specific software requirements like HIPAA compliance for healthcare teams. When looking for reminder software for your team, it's important to consider the key features that will best meet the needs of your team. Some of the key features to look for include recurring reminders. The ability to set recurring reminders is an essential feature that can help to ensure that important tasks don't slip through the cracks. This feature allows you to set a reminder to recur at specific intervals, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Task assignments. The ability to assign tasks to specific team members is another important feature to look for. This feature makes it easy to coordinate and collaborate with others and to ensure that everyone is on the same page. Integration with other tools. Many teams already use a variety of different tools for communication, project management, and file sharing. When choosing reminder software, look for options that integrate with the tools your team is already using. This will make it easier to share information and stay on top of important tasks. Notifications and alerts. This is a must-have feature to look for when choosing a reminder software. Look for options that offer a variety of notification and alert options, including email, text message, and push notifications. This will help ensure that your team members never miss an important reminder. Customizable reminders. Customizable reminders are helpful. Some teams need specific reminder fields, such as due dates, priority, and notes. This allows teams to set reminders with the specific information they need. Collaboration and communication. Many reminder software offers collaboration and communication tools. Look for options that allow team members to communicate and collaborate on tasks directly within the app. This can help to keep everyone on the same page and make it easier to stay on top of important tasks. Mobile app support. A mobile app is convenient and allows team members to check and update their reminders on the go. Security. It is important to consider the security features of reminder software, especially if the software will be used for sensitive information. Consider the needs of your team. First and foremost, consider the size of your team. If you have a small team, you may be able to get away with a simpler, more basic reminder software. On the other hand, if you have a larger team with many different tasks and responsibilities, you may need a more robust and feature-rich option that can handle a greater volume of reminders. Next, consider the types of tasks that require reminders. For example, if your team is responsible for scheduling appointments, then a reminder software that integrates with a calendar and scheduling tools is likely to be more beneficial than a more general option. On the other hand, if your team is responsible for completing specific tasks, then a software that allows for task assignments and progress tracking might be more useful. Also take into consideration any specific industries or use cases that are relevant to your team, like HIPAA compliance for healthcare teams. Compliance is critical for teams that work in healthcare, finance, and other regulated industries, so ensure that the reminder software you choose is compliant with the relevant regulations. Finally, it's worth noting that different teams within the same organization may have different needs when it comes to reminder software. Therefore, it may be worth evaluating different options to find the one that best meets the needs of each team.